voices amplified.
Bosiala ni mkano wakatipo kwanza kuwana free recording. Ndi vano kwawanda varutogo une nzvimbo dzakasiyana kuna kadoma bulawayo vachikwanisa kuuya kuzorekodhiwa masongs awo ende tinozvitenda zvikuru nebasa ravo vana vatipa kuti tikwanise kuweka tiri maindustry.
Bosiala vakanyanya maiziya taitsikirirwa kumasaiti kungotariswa ringoriko tizotaura nemazita but Bosiala asumdzira mayouth vakanyanya.
Yes sir, nyevi.
Yeah man, Bosiala titkwanise kurikuda sabhadhariswe mari hombe
Yeah man, otenda yala koma wakanyanya vakusenza mayuti tilo mberi wakaendawo tutoonezwa wakaita.
Yeah man, I'm glad yet. I want to give no respect to Bosiala for giving us this big opportunity. Simia, he's big, bad and brave, straight from his mother belly. Respect.
Yeah, that's jig. Ainda kanistomorina sina said rangu bandatong bandita kuburikidza nakala zayo pinza mukana.
I just want to say big up to Bosiala and Kusumzira Mayu. Thanks, my bandits.
Yes, sir. To sing is a Bosiala. Yala.
Bosiala to the fullest.
Yes.
Bosiala.
Pandakatanga vanhu vaiseka washana ndomazuva ache.
Yeah man.
Po. Yeah man. Ndovunga mrungomuzi wameka. Wrong 10-5. Jipa Scripper 2. Shit.
Well, this is Air Ground. Today we paid a courtesy call to Boss Yala's new recording studio. It's called Yala Nation, a studio that was opened by Sekala Zienbare Magaba. It's such an amazing project that just opened a week ago, but already they said that at least 250 young artists have signed up to record for different rhythms that they've created. They are super excited about this opportunity because it has opened doors for them. A lot of them could not afford studio time, but they say that Sekalas have made their dream come true. This is quite encouraging and inspiring for a community that is ravaged by poverty and unemployment, but young people are finding space such as Bosiala or Yala Nation to amplify their voices and be able to be heard and nurture their talent.